Cardi Aesthetic and Wellness.
Well, tonight in Health Check, everyone, 10, new local research shows a connection between particles in our environment and Alzheimer's disease.
Health Check 10's Barbara Morse joins us. And Barb, this research was done out of URI.
Yeah, that's right. A follow-up to previous research that looked at the high amounts of microplastics that accumulate in our environment. We're exposed daily through plastic containers and beyond. This research builds on that, taking a look at the effects of these microplastics on the environment of our bodies, in particular, those at risk for Alzheimer's disease.
This was conducted in my laboratory.
Here at the University of Rhode Island, lead researcher Dr. Jaime Ross looked at 2 sets of mice.
They have a lot of similar organ structures and function as humans.
In one group, mice were genetically modified to include the ApoE4 gene, which puts humans at high risk for Alzheimer's. The other group had no genetic predisposition.
Both groups received normal water and water with nanomicroplastics.
After 3 weeks,
interestingly, we saw a sex-dependent impact.
The male mice with ApoE4 were impacted more. Think of a mouse in the house.
The mouse goes around the walls, right? The mouse doesn't sit in the middle of the room waiting to be scooped up and captured. And what we saw is that the male mice, the male ApoE4 mice exposed to plastics, they were spending more time in the center of the arena. So that tells you that they aren't really processing, oh, I might get scooped up here, this is dangerous.
The at-risk female mice showed more cognitive changes, both consistent with research in humans with the memory-robbing disease.
What keeps me motivated to do this research is that I hope this will help us as a society have a conversation of, do we really need our food wrapped in plastic? Just to think about what you are exposing yourself to that can lead to diseases later in life.
And just so you know, this research was recently published in the journal Environmental Research Communications. Dr. Ross says she is expanding her research into the topic in hopes of leading to better regulation of toxins. And that's Health Check. I'm Barbara Morse, NBC 10 News. Dan, you got some big news?
Oh,